Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about union and union all operator in MySql database. So this is the record inside EMP1. So the record is a duplicate order, and here, so this is the record in EMP2. So 1002% in EMP1 and EMP2. And here the column ID name address in EMP2 and the same ID name address in EMP1. So let's see the examples of union and union on operator. So right here I'm going to use select, and here first I'm going to select ID, next name, and hereafter email. So selecting from EMP1 table, and hereafter let's use union operator and copy and paste it down, and here give EMP2. So if you execute, so see right here, so at here the record is displaying in unsorted format, but here if you use union operator, so union operator it's only give unique record. So see at here 1000 at here in EMP1 1002 is the duplicate, and 1002 also present in EMP2. So by using union operator, so union operator give only unique record. And hereafter let's copy and paste it down. So this time going to use union all. So execute here. So this is the output of by using union all. So union all first that return EMP1 record. So this is the record. See in last 1002. So right here, this is the records of EMP1. After that, this is the record of EMP2. So union all that return unsorted record, and here that return also a duplicate record. So 1002, 1002 there. So this is the first difference. Now hereafter, you can use order by clause after the all operation has been over. Means after union all you can use order by clause. So let's use order by, and here giving order by on ID. So see right here, ID is in sorted format in ascending order. So if you apply before union on or union, so if you execute, so at here you get the syntax error. So that means you cannot apply order by before union. So the same thing with the union operator. So this is the things. So you have to give the order by in last. After after union operator you can give order by clause. So if you execute, now there is no any error. Hereafter I am going to take one new table. At here the table name is actor. So let's see the record first. So select a star from actor and execute. So total numbers of columns are 4, and this is the record. So this actor table I'm going to combine. So let's go eliminate order by, and here I'm going to use union operator. So if you I'm going to execute, so at here I'm getting the error message different number of columns. So at here in EMP1 or table has 3 columns, EMP2 has 3 columns, but in actor has 4 columns. So if you do the same thing with union all, so the same error you will get. So let's execute. So same error or different number of columns. So at here in actor table has 4 columns. So So if you are using union and union all operator, so the total numbers of column must be same. So right here I'm going to give three column actor underscore id. So first column and hereafter first underscore name and hereafter last underscore name. So number of columns this time same. So let's execute. So see at here no any error. So first that combine emp, next emp2 and in last actor table records. So let's use add here union operator and execute the query. So no any error I'm getting. So these the things. So number of column must be same. And hereafter let's see one more example. So at here I'm going to use id with name. So I'm going to change the data type. So add here id interact with name. So if I'm going to execute here, so add here id is now 1001 and here integer and here a string value I'm getting here and name here a string and a string and numeric value. So if you're using MySQL database, so if you can means combine or integer value with the string value. So you want to see the data types of emp1. So let's go to alter table. So see at here id is integer tab and name email address email so backend and hereafter the same thing with emp2. So id is the integer. So that means here in MySQL database, so id value concatenate with a string. But if you are using SQL Server database, so see at here, here id and here name. So if I'm going to execute in MySQL Server database, so at here I'm getting the error message conversion failed when converting varchar with. So data at here varchar with integer. So at here I'm getting the message conversion failed message if you're using SQL Server. So this is the things and this is the difference between MySQL and SQL Server. Now here after let's copy this one and here so at I'm going to use the union and here I'm going to use union on. So see at here I'm getting the at here record or this all record is a unique record. So first that combine emp1 and emp2, so this load only unique record. So if you apply add here union or union on and here union. So if you combine union with union here, so add here this only record load only unique record. So this the things, or you can write union on. So see at here unique and duplicate all records I'm getting. It's a loading here. So this is about the union operating MySQL database. And one more thing, if you wanna a full auto giant or do not support in MySQL. So how we can use full auto giant in MySQL? So if you're going to use full auto giant, so you have to use union all operator. So union all operator first that give uh, first table record and next table record. So all the record from the first table that combined with all the record of next table. So by using union all you can achieve full auto giant concept. So if you're going to execute here, so see at here this is the record here union all. So union all, so this is the record here EMP1, and here this is the record of EMP2. So by using union all operator, you can achieve full auto join in MySql. So that's it about this video. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next. Thank you.